today I'm going to be showing you how to cook a Kerala style keto salmon curry. So let's take a look at the ingredients. 2 pieces of Atlantic salmon and 1.5 tablespoon of coconut oil and 1 tablespoon of Eastern fish masala and half a tablespoon of paprika, salt as needed, a pinch of asafoetida, and 2 cloves of garlic, and some green chili, and a bunch of grated ginger, fresh ginger. For seasoning, you can see whole chili, whole red chili, and some chopped quarter piece of onion. Onion should not be used a lot, just for taste. And a bunch of curry leaves, very important. And 1 whole lemon's juice for the taste. And 1.5 cup of water. The salmon is marinated overnight by adding chili powder, salt, and turmeric powder. Let's get started cooking this keto-friendly Kerala-style salmon curry. Turn on the flame. Add a quarter spoon of coconut oil and a pinch of asafoetida. Just for a taste. When it is bubbling, add both curry powder, paprika, and the fish masala in 1.5 cup of water. Stir it thoroughly so that it doesn't give you the burning smell in your nose. Add fish masala and paprika in 1.5 cups of water and then bring it to boil. When it is boiling, add some curry leaves. When it is boiling, put salmon pieces right in the middle. And add 1 teaspoon of salt and let it boil. And meantime, crush the garlic cloves and green chili slightly, so that it let it go its juice to the salmon curry. When it is boiling, add this crushed garlic and chili and the ginger. Add frozen ginger. If you have fresh ginger, add grated fresh ginger. And let it boil nicely. And cook it for around 10 minutes. When it is bubbling, add some lemon juice. It's almost 10 minutes now. So sim the flame to the lowest and prepare the seasoning on another skillet. Take half a tablespoon of coconut oil add 6 whole chili. When the chili turns to brown, add some curry leaves and chopped onion. Stir the onion until it turns to brownish color. You can feel the aroma in the air. It smells so good, and it's time for us to stir. And then add it into the gravy. And add the leftover coconut into the gravy until it melted. Just boil a little bit more, and the Kerala style keto salmon curry is ready to taste now. It's time for us to taste our keto salmon Kerala style curry. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy keto salmon curry at your household as well.